Shwmae pawb, Sally Hollander dwi, Comisiynydd Plant Cymru. Hi everyone, I'm Sally Hollander, Children's Commissioner for Wales, and this is a message for the Dyfed-Powys Police Youth Forum for your meeting in July. I wanted to say what a massive privilege I found it to be able to watch the video that you've made, the training video you've made for the police service in Dyfed-Powys. I've had the opportunity to watch it now, and I have to say that it really packs a punch. It's a really, really powerful set of stories and experiences that you've shared, and I think it's going to make a massive difference to people who work in the police service in all kinds of different jobs and at all different levels. It's my job to make sure that children and young people get all of their human rights, that people know about their rights, and that others respect children and young people's human rights. And of course, when you have experiences of dealing with the police, that can be a really key place where your human rights can be respected, but also you might feel that some of your human rights might not be respected in the right way. Whether your experience was as being in contact with the police because you were a missing person, as in Tilly's case, or because you were being arrested, or because you'd reported a crime that you'd experienced, as in the experiences of other people who have spoken on the video, then it's really important that you understand what's happening to you, that you're treated with respect, and that people understand what it's like to be you, and what kind of support you might need. So I'm pleased that you're doing this work to make sure that everyone understands things. I think it's been brilliant you've been able to speak out in this way. And just to say, my office will continue to work with Dyfed-Powys Police, as we work with all the police forces in Wales, to make sure that everyone understands children's human rights and makes sure that they get respected, whatever your reason for being in touch with the police. I'm really pleased that Dyfed-Powys Police are working so hard on this, that they're so committed to it. But your involvement will help them get that right, will make sure they get that right. So, Ieuenctid gyd am popeth rydych chi wedi gwneud i helpu'r heddlu i deall hawliau dynol plant ac i ddeall beth rydych chi angen fel pobl ifanc. Hwyl am y tro.